Hello everyone, welcome to Tarano Speak English. This channel helps beginners speak English in real-life situations. Today's lesson is English at the pharmacy in the USA. This situation is very important for travelers. When you feel sick in another country, you must know how to talk to a pharmacist. You may need medicine, vitamins, or help for your child. So, it is good to prepare these sentences before traveling. In this lesson, you will learn simple sentences, useful vocabulary, and real conversations you can use in real life. Please listen, repeat, and speak with me slowly. Don't worry about mistakes. Every mistake helps you learn. Practice a little every day, and your English will grow step by step. You can do it. Now, take a deep breath, smile, and let's start speaking English together. Situation 1. Buying cold medicine.
Hi, I have a bad cold.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I have a runny nose and cough.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a small fever.
How many days?
3 days.
This medicine can help.
Is it strong?
It is mild and safe.
How do I take it?
2 pills every 6 hours.
After food?
Yes, after food.
Thank you very much.
Situation 2. Asking for pain relief.
Hello, I have a headache.
Is the pain strong?
It is medium pain.
Do you have allergies?
No allergies.
Try this pain medicine.
How much is it?
$10.
Is it okay with coffee?
Yes, it's okay.
How many pills?
1 pill every 8 hours.
Can I drive?
Yes, it won't make you sleepy.
Great, thank you.
Situation 3. Asking about price.
Excuse me, how much is this cough syrup?
It is $12.
Is there a cheaper one?
Yes, this brand is $8.
Is it good?
Yes, many people use it.
Is it sugar-free?
Yes, it is.
Good for kids?
For kids over 6,
My son is 7.
that is okay.
I will take it.
Cash or card?
Card, please.
Situation 4. Asking how to take medicine.
Hi, how do I take this medicine?
Take 1 pill in the morning.
Before food or after food?
After food.
With water?
Yes, a full glass.
For how many days?
For 5 days.
Can I stop early?
No, finish all medicine.
Okay,
Keep it in a cool place.
not in the sun?
Right, not in the sun.
Thank you for the help.
Situation 5. Allergy medicine.
Hello, I have allergies.
What symptoms do you have?
Sneezing and itchy eyes.
Do you want pills or syrup?
Pills, please.
This works all day.
Will I feel sleepy?
No, this is non-drowsy.
Good. I work today.
Take 1 pill daily.
Morning or night?
Morning is better.
How much?
$15.
I'll take it.
Situation 6. Showing a prescription.
Hi, here is my prescription.
Thank you. Please wait 10 minutes.
Sure.
Do you have insurance?
Yes, here's my card.
Thank you. Your medicine is ready.
Great.
Take 1 pill daily.
With food?
Yes, after dinner.
Any side effects?
Maybe mild sleepiness.
Okay, thank you.
Situation 7. Asking about side effects.
Does this medicine have side effects?
It may cause sleepiness.
Anything else?
Maybe dry mouth. And
Can I drive?
try at home first. And
Can I drink alcohol?
no alcoholic.
Can I take vitamins?
Yes, that's okay.
What if I feel sick?
Call your doctor.
Okay,
Drink more water.
thank you for advice.
Situation 8. Medicine for a child.
I need medicine for my child.
How old is your child?
5 years old.
What problem?
Cough at night.
This syrup is safe.
How much do I give?
1 teaspoon before bed.
With food?
After dinner is good.
Any sugar?
No sugar.
Good.
Shake before use.
Thank you.
Situation 9. Buying vitamins.
Do you have vitamin C?
Yes, many brands.
Which is popular?
This one sells well.
Is it natural?
Yes, natural source.
How many a day?
1 tablet daily.
With food?
Yes, after breakfast.
Any side effects?
Very rare.
Okay, I'll take 1 bottle.
That is $20.
Thank you.
And situation 10. Finding items in pharmacy.
Excuse me, where is the thermometer?
Aisle 5.
Next to bandages?
Yes, next to bandages.
Do you have digital ones?
Yes, this is popular.
Is it easy to use?
Very easy.
Battery included?
Yes, inside. And
How much?
$9.
Okay, I'll buy it.
Need anything else?
No, thank you.
Great job today. You practiced real English at the pharmacy in the USA. Remember, speaking English is like exercise. Practice a little every day. Please like, share, and subscribe to Tarano Speak English. Write in the comments, I practice English today. See you in the next lesson. Keep speaking, keep smiling, and never give up. Bye-bye.